Marhaba and welcome to Next Level Arabic. Learning Arabic alphabet can be intimidating, but fear not. In this series of videos, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide into learning the Arabic alphabet. So whether you are a complete beginner or you want to brush up on your skills, these videos are perfect for anyone who wants to learn the basics of the Arabic script. So grab a pen and paper, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Arabic alphabet. There are some facts about the Arabic abjadiyya or alphabet before we start studying the letters. So we have 28 main letters in the Arabic alphabet. There are also some sub-letters. We will be talking about this later. We have three vowels in Arabic alphabet, which is A, U, and E. And Arabic letters in general have three shapes depending on their position in the word, either the initial or middle or final position. Also, the main shape, we have the main shape. And in Arabic, we write from right to left. There is also two other points. The first one that my approach with teaching the alphabet is through the sound that each letter make instead of teaching the names of these letters. Because from my experience in learning languages, I found it easier and faster to learn the alphabet when we learn just their sounds, the way they sound. The other thing is throughout these videos, I'll be giving you some time to what we will do in each word when I ask you to pronounce it, you will be reading it from the English uh, letters. Then after that, I would ask you to read it out loud with the English letters, but look at how it looks in Arabic, just to try to wire it in your brain like this is how it looks. So we'll be doing this for every word. It will be your turn first, then mine to read it and repeat it with looking at the Arabic word. Now we can start with the first letter, which is A. The first letter is A, which is the vowel. This letter doesn't connect with the letter after when it comes in the beginning. That's why it has the same shape like the main letter, just a stick, A. Then in the middle, it connects only from the right side, so it has the shape of L in English, L letter. In the end, it's either connected or separated depending on the letter before. And with our example here, camera, it is separated because the letter before doesn't connect. Now it will be your turn to read the first word first from the English letters, then read it out loud and look like at that time look at the Arabic word, how it looks. It's yours now, your time now. The word is ananas. I'll read it another time looking at the Arabic. Ananas. In the middle, your turn. And this seven here, we pronounce it ha. Ha. We will be talking about this later, but for now, just try to pronounce it ha. Tufaha. Then the Arabic. Tufaha. Third word, your turn. Camera. Or camera. Camera. Ananas is pineapple. Tufaha is apple. And camera is camera. Second word in the alphabet is B. So this is the first letter in a group. Also in the alphabet we have something called groups of letter, which means three or two letters that look almost the same. The only difference is with the dots. Like one of them has the dot under, one of them has two dots above, and etc. So the first letter is B in this group, B. This is the main shape of the letter. Then, in the beginning position, it is like the first half of the letter. It's kind of we drop the second half and we keep just the first half with one dot under. In the middle, it's same like beginning but with linking arm. And in the end, it's either connected or separated depending on the letter before. Now it's your turn to read the first word, then look at the Arabic. Bait, bait. Second word, your turn. Jabal, jabal. Notice that it's j. In Arabic, we don't have the j. It's j, j. Third word. This three, we pronounce it as a, a. We'll be talking about it, but now try as much as you can to pronounce it a. ثعلب, ثعلب. Next word or next letter, sorry, in this group, next letter in this group is ta. Looks exactly like ba, but instead of one dot under, we have two dots above. This is the main shape of the letter ta. Then the initial position, it is like the same approach, just the first half of the letter. And in the middle position, same like beginning but with linking arm. And in the end, it's either connected or separated depending on the letter before. Now it's your turn to read the first word, and remember this 7 we pronounce it ha. So read it, then look at the Arabic. تفاحة, تفاحة. Second word, your turn. دفتر, دفتر. Third word. بيت, بيت. Now I want to ask you, in the first word, تفاحة, which letters are you familiar with so far? We have, right, the te and then the a in the middle, تفاحة. Okay. The third word, bait, which letters are we familiar with? Correct. B in the beginning and te in the end. Great. Now, third letter in this group is th. Th, it has three dots. It's the same like te, but three dots. And maybe this could be a good hint for you to remember. So since te, it has two dots above, it's te. Meanwhile, th, it has three dots above, so it's th. Same approach in the beginning, the first half of the letter, middle. Same like beginning, but with a linking arm. And in the end, it's either connected or separated, depending on the letter before. Now it's your turn to read the first word, and remember this three, we pronounce it a, a. ثعلب, ثعلب. Second word, مثلث, مثلث. Third word, your turn. مثلث, مثلث. In the first word, can you tell me which letters we're familiar with so far? That's right. Th and B. Th in the beginning and B in the end. What about the middle, the second word? Correct. We have the th in the middle and the th in the end. And ثعلب means fox. مثلث is triangle. For this 7, we